Is Lovable AI actually worth it? I've been testing it for a few weeks and I'll cover everything that you need to know before signing up. Oh, and before we dive in, if you decide to check it out yourself, there is a link in the description that'll get you the best price available right now. Now, if you're not familiar with Lovable AI yet, it's basically an AI-powered platform that lets you build real websites and apps just by describing them in plain English. No coding, no complicated setups, just type out your idea and watch it come to life. You literally create a website by saying something like, I want a blog with a photo gallery and a place where people can sign up for updates. And it's like, I got you, bro. And after a couple of minutes, you're looking at a clean working site. I'm talking about sleek design, nice spacing, animated buttons, matching color schemes, and all the boring stuff already figured out for you. I decided to test it by building a site for a local community event. I wanted something simple. A clean home page, a section for updates, a photo gallery, and a contact form. In the past, that would have taken me hours on any website creator. I've been bouncing between template marketplaces, messing with plugins, adjusting mobile layouts, the whole thing. But with Lovable AI, I just described what I wanted in a few sentences. That was it. The platform instantly generated a complete polished site that actually looked really solid. Clean layout, smooth navigation, and it just worked. What stood out to me was how responsive the platform is. When I realized I needed to add event signups, I just typed that in, and within a few seconds, the feature appeared. Fully functional. No settings to configure, no plugin to install. It felt like having a developer on standby who just gets what you want. And the best part is that most of the features are completely free. That said, it's not perfect. I mentioned it was free, right? Well, the free plan has some limitations. You only get a small number of AI interactions per day, which can be frustrating if you're deep in the creative zone and then suddenly hit the cap. If you're serious about your projects, I recommend going for the paid version. It removes the daily limits and lets you keep your momentum going. I also noticed it can struggle a bit with very custom ideas or advanced logic. If you're trying to build something super specific like a niche tool or an app with a ton of complex functionality, you might still have to dive into the code or look for workarounds. It does give you access to the code if you want to customize things, which is great, but not everyone wants to go that far. Also, your app lives on Lovable's infrastructure. So if you're planning to export the whole project and move it to your own server later on, just know it's not going to be as simple as clicking download and calling it a day. It's doable, but definitely not that easy. And you have to jump through a lot of hoops to get it done. Despite these minor issues, Lovable AI is excellent for anyone looking to quickly bring a simple, moderate, complex project to life without any tech headaches or spend a bunch of time learning to navigate a new program. It's ideal if you're an entrepreneur, small business owner, or community organizer who just wants a functional, polished website without spending weeks learning new tech. And it transformed a normally stressful process into something kind of enjoyable. I even found it pretty fun exploring all the design options and seeing what the AI could do. So if you've got a project in mind and you're tired of putting it off because the tech side feels too overwhelming, I definitely recommend giving Lovable AI a try. And if you use the link in the description, you'll get the best deal they've got available right now.